Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to see all device signed in into your Peacock TV account. So to get started with that, so the best option is to change your password, since there's no specific option on the Peacock account TV for you to see all the signed account on your device. So to get started with how to work this around, so the best option is to change your password. So that will also kick out those are connected to your Peacock TV account. So to do this, change your password. We also sign out all devices to prevent unauthorized access to your Peacock TV account. So to do this, so the first step is to go to the Peacock TV and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon. Then select the account. Then under the settings, choose change password. Then enter your current password. Then after that, your new password, and confirm the changes. Then after changing your password, all the device will be signed out, and you will need to log in again on each device using the new password. And that's how you can simply see all device signed in your Peacock TV account. Find the video helpful, turn on the share button and subscribe for more. Thanks.